Hi everybody. I decided I'm going to make another video on Kali Linux, a installation again, but this time around I'm going to be using a image that has been provided by the Kali Linux website. So this virtual image is what I'm going to be using. So if I click on that, it's going to ask me one of the options. I've already downloaded this one. Let's just see if I suppose if I just click on it, let's see what happens. There we go. It's downloading that already. Again, I'm not going to bother because I already have a full downloaded version of that. That will take more time than I need. Right. So I've downloaded that. I'm going to create another virtual machine. Let's just say Kali Linux VBox for VirtualBox, right? That's where I'm going to leave it at. I'm going to go next. I'll give it some memory. Now, I don't know if I need to extract it first, but let's see, maybe I don't. If we do, we'll go through that process. Yeah, I'm going to use an existing image. I'm going to select it. I'm going to say add. Let's go to just to this folder over here. There's an ISO folder. Nope, it does not see it. So I'm going to have to go to the folder where I already have it. Let's see, there it is. I'm going to just extract it to here. Let's see if it does that. Select. Okay, so it's currently doing the extraction, I believe. Let's just see what the process. Here we go. We have a how long it's going to take. 3 minutes. Okay, so I'll get back to this once we're done. So now that the extraction is complete, we can go back to Kali and we will, or rather the VirtualBox, we'll go here. The ISO is where we wanted it. This is the import of the VDI file. So let's open that. And now we've selected, instead of creating a new drive, we've selected to import a drive. So let's choose that. Let's click on next and finished. So okay, so now we've installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox, but we use the import of a pre-built disk file. So let's start Kali Linux and let's see what happens. Okay, looks like it's coming on nicely. Yes, it's booting up. It shouldn't take too long. Now the default desktop environment that is provided is KDE, not KDE, it's XFCE. So the default username that is predefined on these images is Kali and Kali. Let's do that. And because it expands into the entire display area, you know that the VirtualBox guest editions are already installed on this image. So we don't have to go through the process of installing it like we would in the previous video. So yes, we could do an upgrade of guest editions, but this is fine. This for this video and the purpose of this video, I think we are good. Let's just take a look and see some of the commands. Okay, and we can see what the IP address is of this host, and we can maybe ping google.com. Yes, so the netting works fine. Everything seems to be okay. For this video, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you watch until the end, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and yeah, send us a message. Thank you very much.